Hello, my name is Tajid Hassan Jitu and I am 23-year-old. I am currently completing my Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. Before that, I am passed my SSC from Shishu-Niketan High School with GPA 4.28 and my HSC from BM Model School and College with GPA 4.83. Alongside my study, I have been actively involved in competitive sports science my school life. I had the honor of leading my school cricket and football team as a vice captain, where we achieved award. I am passionate about programming and have developed a strong skill in multiple languages including C, C++, Java, etc. I am regularly practicing in programming contests such as the DIU Takeoff first round in 2024 and DIU Unlock the Algorithm first round in 2025. Besides, I am also expert in Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel and Word, which help me present and organize my work effectively. In addition to programming, I have learned web development and successfully completed several projects. Some of my notable work in my university life, University Gate Management System and Employee Management System. I am hardworking and passionate person. I have a strong academic background and good leadership experience. I also have technical skill in programming and web development. I know where I want to go in the future and my goal is become a web developer. Thank you for watching my video resume.